So hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a neat little exponential slash infinite series equation. So namely, we've got 3 to the power of 1 plus sine x plus sine squared x plus sine to the nth power x, etc., all the way up to infinity is equal to the cube root of 9. So let's just look at this series right here, and let's notice that we can write this series as the series as n goes from 0 to infinity of sine of x to the power of n. Now we see that this is a geometric series, and the series is actually always going to be convergent if the absolute value of sine of x is less than 1. So x must be different than pi, must be different than k times 2k plus 1 times pi over 2, where k is an integer. Why? Because these are just the odd numbers times pi over 2, and in each of those instances the value of sine is going to be either 1 or negative 1. So in order for this to converge, and therefore for this equation to have solutions in the first place, x must be equal than the odd products of pi over 2. Okay, then pi over 2 multiplied by some odd whole number. So we know that this is also a geometric series, okay, whose quotient q is equal to sine x, and the sum of these series is equal to the sum, okay, of these geometric series of convergent infinite geometric series is equal to the first member, which is in this case just 1, over 1 minus the quotient, which is just sine x. So we can rewrite this whole huge exponent as just 1 over 1 minus sine x. Neat. So let's go ahead and do that. So 3 to the power of 1 over 1 minus sine x is equal to the cubic root of 9. Now let's go ahead and rewrite this yet again. So 3 to the power of 1 over 1 minus sine of x is equal to 9 is just the same as 3 to the second power, and because it's under a cube root, that's going to be equal to 2/3. So we have to, when we take the log base 3 on both sides, we'll get that 1 over 1 minus sine x is equal to 2/3. So from here, by cross multiplying, we get that 3 over 2 minus 2 sine x is equal to 1. Okay? And from here, we get that 2 minus 2 sine x is equal to 3. Okay? So 2 minus 2 sine x is equal to 3. Or in other words, sine of x is equal to negative 1/2. Okay? So from here, it follows that x is equal to minus pi over 6, which is just the same as 11 pi over 6 plus 2k pi, where k is of course an integer, or x is equal to what? X is equal to 7 pi, that's the solution in the third quadrant, is equal to 7 pi over 6 plus 2k pi, and of course k is an integer. So this is our final solution to this problem. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.